Hello everybody, this is Teacher Prossy Namuddu again. I'm back for primary 1 and I thank God that you're all there. Get your book, get your pencil, settle, don't allow any distractions, and we are going to learn about something new. This time I have come with subtraction of one digit number. I know some people are still very fun. Let us warm up as we wait for people to join us. Stand up everybody. There is this short, nice rhyme that I want us to recite before we begin our lesson. We all know this one. So you're going to repeat after me. Ready? Good. Stand up everybody. 4 little squirrels sitting on the wall. The first one said, "What do I see?" The second one said, "A man with a gun." The third one said, "Let us run, let us run." The fourth one said, "But I'm not afraid." The gun went boom and they all ran away. So that is our rhyme. Thank you for reciting with me. Now back to the lesson. So when you look into that rhyme, we see 4 squirrels. So those 4 squirrels are standing on the wall. But when the gun said boom, they all ran away. So my question is, how many squirrels remained on the wall? So they were 4. When the gun went, they all ran away. So that means that 0 squirrels remained on the wall. So they were 4. When the gun went, all the 4 ran away. Where does it take us? It takes us back to subtraction. Are we together, people? Wonderful. Now we are in the lesson. So when I take 4 away from 4, I'm going to remain with 0. I'm going to show you how we do it. But that is the rhyme which was taking us to subtraction. The word subtraction, how do we write the sign for subtraction? It is like that. Why is it like that? It is telling us to take away. Are we together, people? Put your hands together. Good. So, take away. We take away. Are we together? We give away. So, subtraction teaches us to take away, to give away. Is that clear to everybody? Wonderful. So today we are learning subtraction and we are going to do simple numbers. When I come on my simple table here, I have got beads. These are called beads. I have got different beads. I have yellow beads. I have green beads. So what are we going to do? I'm going to start with 4 beads. Okay? For the 4 squirrels. Let us start with what we have already recited. So, if I have 4 beads, so we go into examples. Example number 1. You see these things here. When we look at them in my hands, they are 4 beads. I want us to count. Some people may say, "Me, I have not seen." This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. So we have got 4 beads. Take away. We shall take away 2. Are we together, people? I have 4 beads. Take away 2 beads. Let us do it. So these are my 4 beads in my left hand. The question is telling me take away 2 beads. So I'm going to take away 1, 2. Wonderful. When you look in my hand, how many beads are remaining? Let us count them. 1, 2. Very good. So 4 take away 2 beads, my answer becomes 2. Is that clear to everyone? Good. Now, we are still on this number. Let us draw the 4 beads. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wonderful. When I look at this side, it is telling me to take away. So I'm going to come on this number, on these beads. I'm not going to draw beads here. No, they want me to take the 2 beads from these ones. So let us take away. We are going to cross 2 beads. We go 1, 2. Wonderful. How many balls are remaining? 1, 2. So 2 is our answer. With subtraction, whenever you're given to subtract, you look at the first number. The first number is telling you, is giving you the number of items that you have. So from those items, you take away the second number. In other words, you're going to draw balls for the first number and take away balls for the second number. Let us get another example. We are doing another example. We have 9, take away 3. So we have 9, take away 3. You look at the first number. The first number gives you the number of items that you're going to use. The second number tells you, take away 3 from the 9 items that you have. Still, I'm going to pick my beads. Let us pick our beads together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I have 9 beads in my hands. What are we going to do this time? We are going to draw the 9 beads. Remember, I told you we only draw balls for the first number. Let us go, everybody. We draw the 9 beads that I have in my hands. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Wonderful. So from the 9 beads, they want me to take away 3 beads. Let us do it together. 1, 2, and 3. Wonderful. We are also going to do it on the blackboard. Let us cut the 3 beads that we've put down already. We go 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Now let us count the beads that we are remaining with. Let us begin with the ones in my hands. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. Let us count the ones that we are remaining with here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So our answer is 6. I know that my bright children have got 6 as their answer. Wonderful. That is wonderful. Now let us get the third example. Now this is horizontal arrangement, and then we are also going to look at the vertical arrangement of numbers. So our number 3 is, I have 6, take away 1. I have my 6 markers. This time I'm going to use markers. Okay? Good. So when we look at the first number, look at this number here. This is our first number. So I am going to get 6 markers, which I already have in my hands. Okay? So let us count them and see if they are 6. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wonderful. I have 6 markers in my hands, which 6 markers are also here. So let us draw the 6 markers here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. After drawing your markers there, I want you to look at the second number. The second number is 1. So they want me to subtract 1 from the 6 markers. This is the one I'm using to write, don't be confused. Let me even put it down. So we go, these are my 6 markers, then they want me to take away 1. So I get 1 marker and I put it down. Wonderful. Now after doing that, let us count the markers that I'm remaining with in my hand. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonderful. Let us also do it here. We go to the 6 markers and then we cut 1 marker. Good. So let us count the remaining ones. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 becomes our answer. Is that clear to everybody? Very good. I have bright children. So now, the next example that we have, I want us to put in some words. We are going to read a short story. Very good. So, what do I have? I have Mukasa had 5 sweets. He gave 2 sweets to Nambi. How many Now, look at our question. We have Mukasa had 5 sweets. He gave 2 sweets to Nambi. How many sweets did he remain with? Mukasa is a very kind boy. He had sweets, but then decided to give some sweets to Nambi. We see that Mukasa had, and then he gave away some. Wonderful. When we go back to our question, we go, Mukasa had 5 sweets, right? He gave 2 sweets to Nambi. How many sweets did he remain with? For example, if we take these to be our sweets, I know these are bit my dears, but we can use them. We're just assuming. So these are our sweets. Mukasa had the 5 sweets, but this boy is so kind, so generous. He said, let me give some sweets to Nambi. Then he took away 2 sweets and gave them to Nambi. You see, 1 and then 2. We see? That is taking away, subtracting. So let us draw the sweets Mukasa had. Mukasa had 5 sweets. Then he gave away. We are going to take that sign. He gave away 2 sweets. Are we together? These are our sweets and these are sweets. So he gave away 2. Let us draw the 5 sweets. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that clear to everyone? Now, look at the sweets he gave away. How many sweets did he give away? 1, 2. So, when we count, how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3. Let me see in my hands. What did I remain with? 1, 2, and 3. So our answer is 3. But don't forget that these are sweets. So, how many sweets did Mukasa remain with? You come down and say Mukasa. Go to the question again. The word is remain. We say remained with 3 sweets. Sorry. So that is our answer. So you can read, and as you read, this question is going to tell you what you're doing before even you come to the last words. So Mukasa had 5 sweets, right? He's so good. He gave 2 sweets to Nambi. Wonderful. How many sweets did he remain with? So you're coming down here, get the numbers. The first number is 5, write 5. Give, you write the takeaway sign because he is giving. Then 2, he gave away 2 sweets, which gave him 3 sweets remaining in his hands. So that is our work for today. So we have learned subtraction. So after that, I'm going to give a simple exercise. Remember this. With subtraction, we are taking away. We give away. So when it is giving away, you look at the numbers that you're given. Always the first number gives you the number of items that you have. Then the second number is going to give you what you're taking away from what you have. I'm going to give you a simple activity that you're going to try during your free time or even now. So get your book and pencil and try out these numbers. Number is 3, take away 2. You work it out. You can use counters, you can draw balls or sticks. The second one is 8, take away 3. So 8 take away 3. Look at the first number. It is giving you the number of balls, number of sticks, number of items that you have. Look at the second number. Don't draw balls, please. We only draw for the first number. Cut 3 balls. You will get your answer. Number 3, 9, take away 3. You know what to do, my dear friends. Then we come to our number 4. We have 6, take away 2. Then our last number is going to be Ida had 10 apples. She gave 2 apples to her friend. You know we share with our friends, right? So, how many apples did she remain with? So that is our simple exercise. I want you to do that work. When we meet again, we shall do corrections. We shall go through that work together. Thank you for being good children. I love you children. Stay at home, stay safe. I want us to meet again when we are all in good health. We thank God who has kept us till this time. So please do this work. Thank you. We meet again.